Hello, and welcome back to Tools Informer. Milwaukee is a popular and respected manufacturer of power tools like impact wrenches. So if you're looking for a reliable and highly efficient impact wrench for your tasks, Milwaukee is a good brand to consider. But since Milwaukee produces various types of impact wrenches, it is vital to select one that matches your needs and budget. In this Milwaukee impact wrench review, we're going to list some of the best Milwaukee impact wrenches after conducting thorough research and tests. But before you select your most preferred Milwaukee impact wrench, you should consider things like power source, size, power, and chuck size. For more information about the products, we've included links in the description box below, which are updated for prices and offers. Milwaukee 2962-20 Impact Wrench. The first Milwaukee impact wrench that we'll talk about is the Milwaukee M18 brushless mid-torque, a half-inch impact wrench with a friction ring. This tool can be utilized by DIY enthusiasts and professionals as it is straightforward to use. It can perform several applications, and it can fit in tight places. Measuring 6 inches in length, this impact wrench offers most access in tight areas. Moreover, it works up to 69 kilovolt environments, which is great. Besides, it is also compatible with all M18 batteries and chargers. So if you already have a Milwaukee M18 charger, you don't have to buy a new one. This wrench also provides one of the best power-to-weight ratios as it delivers up to 650 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque at only 5.1 pounds. Note that it uses a 5.0 amp-hours battery. The Milwaukee M18 brushless mid-torque, a half-inch impact wrench, also features the RedLink Plus intelligence functions that ensure optimal performance and protect from overheating, overloading, and over-discharge. Apart from being one of the best Milwaukee impact wrenches on the market, it is also one of the best-selling impact wrenches on the market. Other notable features of this wrench are the tri-LEDs and 4-mode drive control. Milwaukee 2767-20 Impact Wrench. Another excellent but overlooked Milwaukee impact wrench is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel High Torque, a half-inch wrench with a friction ring. Like the former wrench, this tool is also easy and powerful, making it ideal for performing a wide variety of tasks. It measures 10.9 inches by 3.2 inches by 14.06 inches. It is also lightweight as it weighs around 5.9 inches. So, whether you desire a reliable impact wrench to use in automotive repair, construction projects, heavy equipment maintenance, or for DIY tasks, this is a nice tool to have. It is also powered by a lithium-ion battery and can be recharged using any M18 charger. But unlike the previous unit, this impact wrench is slightly powerful as it offers 1,000 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque. Additionally, it delivers up to 1,400 feet-pounds of breakaway torque. This is important for loosening stubborn fasteners like bolts and nuts. And with a 5-year warranty, this is one of the best impact wrenches for the money. Besides, this impact wrench comes with a friction ring that makes it simple to remove the socket. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 3/8 Compact Impact Wrench. If you intend to work in tight spaces, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 3/8-inch compact wrench is the most ideal tool for you. It is the most compact tool in its class, making it perfect for tight places. Despite being compact, this tool delivers up to 250 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque. Measuring 4.8 inches in length, this battery-powered impact wrench with a power-state brushless motor will remove stubborn bolts and nuts in tight places. Since most tight areas are normally dark, this impact wrench comes with tri-LEDs that surround the anvil to brighten your work area. It also comes with 4-mode drive control that delivers exceptional accuracy with several preset revolutions per minute. When the user activates the 4-mode function, the auto shut-off control applies no more than 20 feet-pounds of torque for hand-tight applications to avoid over-tightening. It is also powered by the M18 Red Lithium battery pack, which is not included in the purchase. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Stubby 3/8 Impact Wrench. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel Stubby 3/8 Impact Wrench is among the best compact impact wrenches in its class. When you look at all the Milwaukee impact wrenches in this Milwaukee impact wrench review, you will realize that this tool is one of the lightest. Weighing only 2 pounds, this tool is easy to carry and work with for extended periods. Measuring 4.8 inches in length, this tool will fit in tight areas and make users very productive. It also has increased torque that delivers an industry-leading 250 feet-pounds of breakaway torque, so you can use it to get rid of even the toughest fasteners. This tool also comes with 4-mode drive control that allows excellent control in different fastening applications. Besides, it has 1 to 3 revolutions per minute, which allows for accurate control. Last but not least, it has auto shut-off mode in the 4th setting that prevents the over-fastening of bolts and nuts. Milwaukee 2PC Impact Wrench. If you're a busy mechanic or just want an industrial-grade impact wrench, the Milwaukee 2-piece impact wrench is the best option for you. It features a 1/2-inch impact wrench and a 3/8-inch impact wrench. Both wrenches are super powerful and best suited for heavy-duty tasks. The 1/2-inch impact wrench delivers up to 1,000 feet-pounds of fastening torque and 1,400 feet-pounds of breakaway torque. On the contrary, the 3/8-inch impact wrench delivers up to 600 feet-pounds of nut-busting torque. What's more, the 1/2-inch impact wrench is the most compact high-torque impact wrench on the market. It has over 0.7-inch shorter lengths than the competition. Like most Milwaukee impact wrenches that we've looked at, this tool also comes with the Red Link Plus intelligence to prevent damage to the wrench because of overheating, overloading, and overdischarge. Picking the best Milwaukee impact wrench is not an easy feat, as the brand offers some of the best impact wrenches on the market. But reviewing the best Milwaukee impact wrenches, we selected the Milwaukee M18 brushless mid-torque 1/2-inch impact wrench with friction ring as the best. This tool is efficient, easy to use, powerful, and affordable.